Look at you. You look so beautiful in your dress. Those aren't pants. It's another dress. And the little romper. You can't put it on with the dress, Bougie. You're going to have to take the other one off.
No, that's too small. That's too small.
It's too small. Oh, now you want to wear that one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's your last one.
That's my dress.
That's your dress. An Easter dress.
Put this on. Put this on.
We could probably fit this one over the other one.
My diaper. My diaper on. To tag.
Oh, no, leave it. Don't pull, don't pull.
To tag.
Here, let's take the buttons. Okay.
I take tag up. I take tag up.
You sure did. Uh-oh.